I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to remove a card from your Webull account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Webull app. Launch the Webull app on your device and log into your account. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the bottom right corner to access your account settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the account settings, look for the Payment Methods option and tap on it. This will show you all the cards linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the card to remove. Find the card you want to remove from the list and tap on it. You should see an option to delete or remove the card. Step 5. Confirm removal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if the card is linked to any active transactions, you may need to update those before removal. I hope this helps you manage your Webull account more easily.